What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna dive right back into the ZX10R where we left up with the leaky seals on the forks. I ordered this tool online, not sponsored or anything, a quick Google search, and I found really good reviews about it. So I'm gonna try it out for myself, see if it actually works, because I did clean out the seals and they are still leaking, so that doesn't help me much. I'm gonna try it out this bad boy. If it works, good. If it doesn't, then we're gonna have a big job on our hands. So let's get right to it. I'll be damned, guys. It actually works. Look at that. No oil leaking. Nothing over here. Amazing. That's a win in my books for a tool or for a plastic tool that costs under $15 Canadian. Save yourself a whole lot of money instead of changing fork seals and all that. Try this out. It worked for me in my situation. There's no oil leaks. I'm super happy about that. I'm gonna have a link in the description for this to my Amazon store. If you guys are looking to purchase anything, try that out. It helps the channel. It doesn't cost you any more than it usually would, so try it out. A link to my Amazon store will be in the description for any purchase. All right, so now we're gonna completely button up everything up front here because we're done in this area and move on to something else. What's up guys? It's now spring in Canada, but there's still a lot of snow outside, so I don't think we're going to be able to hit the road just yet. But let us get this baby ready. I did miss a couple of things in the rear end, so I've opened that up. Let's get down to business. So as you can see, I opened the rear end back up again because I forgot to install the license plate mount and lights and all that good stuff, so that has to go on, and then we can put the front end together. Alright guys, as you can see, I did not waste any time jumping on this bike. I started with a front nose fairing that's fully mounted once and for all. I just did not put this bolt on here for the mirrors just yet because that's still coming in. And as you can see, on this side, everything seems to go on. But over here, everything is fully secured. Remember the problem I had receiving the ZX10R fairings instead of the R? As you can see, I tried to remove the one R and I kind of ruined the fairing a little bit. It's not going to come out without leaving some kind of damage to it. So I guess I'm just going to have to roll with it this way and be a fraud. It is what it is. I did hit up the seller I purchased this from. We were able to come to a conclusion that I'm happy with. So no hard feelings. But let's jump back onto this bike and get some. guys, as you can see, the bike is completely put back together like nothing ever happened. That's looking really good. I did order one more part for this motorcycle. It's going to be going right on the front end of this, and it's going to make this look excellent. So let's throw this part on and see how she turns out. No. What's up, guys? We're out here. We have the bike loaded on the vehicle. We're gonna go get it inspected. I don't see any reason why I shouldn't pass. Everything was done to spec, so it's looking really good. So without much more talking, let's hop in the vehicle, get out there, and get this done. What's up, guys? Just a quick update on the ZX10R. As you can see, it's loaded on the back. We just completed the last safety inspection to get this back on the road. Super excited about it. Obviously, she's looking good. She's ready to rip. I can't wait to give this a wash. It hasn't been ridden yet. All the dirt on it is just from hauling it around on the rack, as you can see. So we're gonna get it home, give it a proper wash, and go for our first ride. Fortunately, that's all the time I have for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the build so far. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.